Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to show you how we converted a failing gunite pool into a fiberglass pool. Now in this video, it's similar to one we posted about a month ago called Converting a Gunite Pool to a Fiberglass Pool. Now both these gunite pools that we converted into fiberglass were located in Texas. The difference was the previous one had cracks that were in the wall and in the floor. This one has cracks in the floor of the pool. Now the problem with gunite is eventually you have to re-marcite it every so many years, and then when it does crack like these pools have, you are limited on your options on how you can repair it unless you use fiberglass. Now, like I said, this gunite pool had cracks in the floor of it that they had tried to repair a few times prior to us coming out to fix it, and each time the repair just never held. Now, because most gunite pools have curved edges, you want to make sure that you cut and measure out your fiberglass strips prior to applying. Now, once your fiberglass pieces are cut, you're going to move along the pool in sections, applying the fiberglass and the resin. We recommend doing at least 2 layers of the fiberglass matting, but depending on the pool, some may need 3. Now, once you're done applying either the 2 or 3 layers of fiberglass matting with the resin, once it hardens, you're ready to move on to the next step. This particular gunite pool also had a hot tub that we had to coat as well. Once you applied your layers of fiberglass to the hot tub in the pool, you're then going to let it harden and cure. Then you have to grind the entire surface of both the hot tub and the pool before moving on to the next step. Once you are done grinding the entire surface of the pool and the hot tub, you want to make sure that you clean the entire surface from any debris and dust from that grinding as well. Now once you're done completely cleaning the pool, we then apply our trowel mix around the fittings, returns, main drains, etc., whatever's in the pool. Now once the trowel mix hardens, you can lightly skip grind that as well before getting ready to move on to the last step, which is applying your epoxy top coat. You're going to apply the first layer of whatever color top coat you choose. Let that cure and harden, and then you're going to move on and apply the final top coat. And then after that's cured and hardened, usually about 24 to 48 hours depending on the temperature, your pool is then ready to fill up with water, and then you are ready to start enjoying it again. This customer chose black. Now once it was all finished, they could begin enjoying their pool again. As always, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or email. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.